My name's Mark Kalina. I'm a doctor. I'm a primary care doctor. I'm an internist. I've been in the medical world for a long time, since 1989. I like everything, and I feel like this retreat, 𝐸𝐸𝐺𝐻 Gandhi in general, this whole mission that she and I have embarked on, which is I've been a part of this movement, the reverse disease, reverse heart disease, reverse cancer, reverse sickness, reverse mental challenges. Bottom line is the goal is to get well, and a lot of people have been doing this. I've been a part with Dean Ornish and Mimi Guarneri and Deepak Chopra and Jon Kabat-Zinn, some of the great gurus of this last few decades. And this retreat was special in a way, and I have been to all their retreats, and I have always enjoyed. There's something about being with other people and connecting at a deeper level that is fantastic and takes you to new places. This crowd has a different thing, I think. Those folk are gurus, and they got a little bit attached to the guru thing, and there was a separation that I think happened. And that's what happens in the world. I can understand that. But this, Dr. Gandhi, Brian Asbill, this is a different thing. And the guests that Dr. Gandhi invited also. There are multiple incredible speakers here. And the interaction amongst the audience, which I was really proud to be part of, and proud that my patients were some of the main people, the guests. And I care about those people. And I watched them change. I've watched them change in their time with Dr. Gandhi and in their time with using this machine, this EECP machine that can help reverse disease and bring blood flow to the heart and to the brain like no other intervention. Yes, the lifestyle things, but there was a spirit and an energy here, and these people have it, and I think it comes from absence of ego. I've always been attracted to, I think we all like gurus and we all like leaders, but I think there's something special when people lead from a place of no ego, of truly wanting to change the world, to make it better, to make each and every person better, to see the light of God in all people. And that's what was happening here. That's what this movement's a part of. It makes me super proud to be part of. I would recommend this retreat. I could go to many places. This place where we had this retreat, this place in the hills of Escondido, I don't really even know where we are. Every day I got lost, and it was 3 days, but it's beautiful. And it's a spectacular haven, a spectacular home where we gathered, and the yard around it, and the land where we took walks. You know, you could say knowledge and learning, but it's not knowledge. It's not just knowledge and learning. You can get that in any book. This is something that got ground in by human interaction and human experience and human connection. And the connection, I've never felt it stronger. I guess I have to attribute it to Dr. Gandhi, but I also, Dr. Asbill, these people led and conveyed a connection that went fast, deep, and really strong. So yeah, I couldn't recommend it more. If you want to make your life better, if you want to change your life wholeheartedly, this would be the place to come. And if you want full support in the loving and real way, this is the place.